Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a large shoulder bag. The link to get the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this bag you will need 1 4 cm large slide buckle in metal or in plastic, a 45 cm long zipper, a 5 cm large webbing, nylon fabric for the outside, and a lightweight fabric for the lining. Print and cut the pattern pieces. Pin the pieces on the fabric as shown in the cutting layout. Do this to the outer fabric and the lining. Cut the pieces. Before removing the pattern pieces, transfer the pattern marking to the fabric. Place one of the lining faces on carbon paper, then place the pattern on top and trace the pocket placement. Fold the pocket in half right sides together, stitch all around, leaving an 8 cm opening to flip the pocket. The seam allowance is 1 cm. Clip the corners and flip the pocket over. Press the pocket. Place the pocket in its position on the lining. Stitch the 3 sides of the pocket 5 mm from the edge. Place one end of the zipper between the tab and its lining right sides together and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Do the same with the second end. Clip the tabs to the right and top stitch 2 mm from the edge. Mark the centers of the zipper. Place the zipper on the top of the outside of the bag face, right sides together, and then place the lining of the face right sides together well in the middle. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Clip the rounded edges of the top of the bag. Do exactly the same with the second side of the zipper and the second face of the bag. Mark the middles of the long sides of the strap connectors, outer fabric and lining. Place the lining over the zipper on the lining side, wrong side on right side, and the outer fabric over the zipper, right sides together. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Flip right side out and top stitch 2 mm from the edge. Fold the bag outside to outside and lining to lining, open the zipper. Place one edge of the outer perimeter on the edge of the outer face, right sides together matching the markings. Pin the second edge to the second face of the bag, right sides together, matching the markings. Stitch each side 1 cm from the edge. Place one edge of the perimeter lining over the edge of the face lining right sides together, matching the markings. Pin the second edge of the perimeter lining to the second face of the bag right sides together, matching the markings. Stitch each side 1 cm from the edge, leaving a 12 cm opening on one of the edges to flip the bag over. If the fabric is thick, clip the rounded edges of the bag. Flip the bag over through the lining opening. Pin and stitch the lining opening. Cut a 12 cm long piece of strap. Pass the piece of strap through the sliding buckle and fold it in half. Slide the strap through the opening at the bag end, right sides together, and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Slide one end of the long piece of strap through the second opening of the bag end, right sides together, and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Cut off any protruding strap ends. Clip the corners if the fabric is thick. Flip the bag right side out, pulling on the straps. Slide the free end of the strap through the sliding buckle, then hem it by folding the end of the strap over 1 cm twice. Stitch the hem in the middle. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments or to message me on my social media.